I'm back with another video on Bitcoin because I didn't record any videos about Bitcoin, and I would like to give you an update about the current market condition of Bitcoin. So right here we are on the weekly chart, and you can see that this entire week, it's Thursday today, so Monday to Thursday right now, you can see that price is in a doji, meaning that there's indecision. So just be very careful. The first thing that I want to highlight to you is that this right here, this swing low right here, or rather this spike low right here, there wasn't any close below this level on a weekly chart. So if you were to just plot this level out and put it like that, you can see that last week we didn't get a close below this level. Now this level is very important because this is the level of the flash crash that happened a couple of weeks back, the week where I talk about Bitcoin selling down because of this movement up, which was on a low liquidity day. So this swing low right here, or this spike low, is very important, and on the weekly chart we didn't get a close below this level. So at least on a weekly chart we cannot conclude whether this level is broken just yet. Okay, so please do not rush into sell. I understand that on the daily time frame, let's say you were to look at the daily time frame, if you were to look at this candle, then this candle has successfully closed below this level, and of course you have this candle and this candle. However, this close didn't happen on a weekly, and it's very important. I think it's very important that the weekly chart closes below this level in order to see more bearish movement. Now, you can see that price is range bound right now, so you can see that this is the support and this is the resistance. If in fact you can just adjust it something like that, so it's nothing too difficult to see that it's in a range right now. However, I just want to let you know that you have to be very careful when you see this kind of range, because we do have this descending triangle, and what happens is a lot of traders who are going to place their stop loss here and traders who are going to place their stop loss here, because if you go short here, then logically your stop loss will be above the recent high here, and of course if you go short here, you're going to put your stop losses here. So understanding where the stop loss is very important, because there might be a chance, okay, it's just a potential, it may not actually happen, but this is something that might happen. It might just go up and then after that it starts selling down. What the market might do is that it might whip out the weak sellers, meaning to say that you just pump it up, trigger the stop losses and start selling down. So if you want to go short, you have to be very careful. If you want to go long as well, you also have to be very careful, because when I see market conditions like this, I know that people are going to get hurt because they're going to put their stop losses at the wrong places, or they're going to enter in at the wrong time. Now that brings me to the point of this whole video. So what should you be doing? So if you want to go long, my recommendation would be to wait for a very nice break of this entire zone. Okay, in fact, if you were to switch over to the line chart, you can see that this reassembles a double bottom pattern. A double bottom pattern is a very good reversal pattern, meaning to say that price was recently trending down and you get a double bottom, which signifies that price could be reversing higher. So this is the double bottom pattern, but a double bottom pattern is only confirmed when the neckline over here is broken. So earlier on I mentioned that price might just do something like this to whip out the stop losses and come down. So to be really safe, if you want to go long, look for a clean break of this entire level. So something like maybe like this, price close high, wait for the retracement down back to the neckline, and then look for a candlestick pattern over here. That's how I will recommend you trade it if you want to go long. If you want to go short, there are two scenarios that could potentially happen. The first is what I've already mentioned, that price goes up to trip the stop losses. Then you have to be patient and wait for price to come back down into the zone, meaning to say that it has to close back below this descending trend line for this to qualify as a fake out play. Now this is a similar setup to the video that I just uploaded about the pound yen short that we just took. So if you didn't watch that video, please go check that video out next. What I'll do is I'll leave a link to that video at the top right and in the comment section down below. But this is one way you can do it. The other way, which is much safer and doesn't require that much experience, is for price to do a clean break of this support level. Now be careful, because we need to be sure that this level is broken on the weekly time frame. So you probably will need to wait for at least a week, because today is already Thursday, so you probably need to see whether this weekend does price close below this, and if price close below this level, that signifies that this level is broken. Then you need to see a clean break of this level at 40,462 in order to go short. So what you could potentially do is you could do something like this, wait for it to break on the weekly time frame first. Once you see it's broken, make sure that this level right here is broken as well, and then wait for a retracement back here on the daily time frame, and then look for a candlestick pattern to go short towards the next level, which is over here, somewhere around here. Okay, so this is my trade plan if I were to trade Bitcoin, but please be very careful, because I do not want you to get hurt. This is not an easy market condition to trade, and a lot of people are going to lose money when they either sell too early or they start selling into support. So please be very careful. If there's any other cryptocurrency pairs that you'd like me to analyze, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, do hit the subscribe button, because I give you the levels ahead of time so that you will not lose money. Okay, I cannot guarantee that you will make money, but at the very least, I can guarantee you that I will save you money by telling you about these important key levels before the market actually moves. Okay, so please hit the thumbs up button to support the channel, and do join us on Telegram and grab the free day trading guide, which is found in the description down below. Okay, it's totally free. That's a good strategy that you can start trading with if you are still new and still struggling to turn a profit. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.